In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon in ERPNext. The favicon is that small icon you see on your browser tab next to the page title. Updating it to your own logo is a simple way to make your ERPNext instance look more professional and on-brand. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can update it quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the home page or dashboard. At the top of the interface, look for the global search bar. This is usually found in the header area of ERPNext and lets you quickly jump to different settings and documents without browsing through the full menu. Click into the search bar and start typing website settings. As you type, ERPNext will suggest options that match your search. When you see website settings appear in the list, go ahead and select it. This will take you directly to the main configuration page for your website related options. Once the website settings page is open, take a moment to let it load fully. Here, you'll see different sections that control how your ERPNext website looks and behaves. Find the section labeled App Logo. This is where you can upload the image that will be used as the favicon. In the App Logo area, you'll see an option to attach a file. Click on the button that says Attach. This will open a small window or dialog where you can choose how to provide the image. Since we're uploading a new favicon, click on Upload. This tells ERPNext that you want to bring in a file from your computer, rather than selecting an existing file from the system. Now, your browser will open a file picker window. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your favicon image is stored. It's best to use a small square image, typically 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels, in a common format like PNG or ICO. Once you've selected your file, confirm the upload. You should now see the image preview or file name appear in the app logo field. After uploading, do not forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the website settings page and click it. ERPNext will apply your new settings and your favicon should update. You may need to refresh your browser tab or clear your cache to see the new icon appear. And that's all it takes to change the favicon in ERPNext.